Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change background on your Wix website. So first off, you want to go over to your website on which you like to change the background image. Make sure to click on select and edit site and you will then be sent over the Wix dashboard. Now what you have to do is just simply click on the edit side right here and you will then be sent over the editor side, and once you're there you want to scroll down over the part where you like to change the image. Let's say it's gonna be this part right here, so this strip background. You have to click on that and then click on shade strip background. Now for example right here it's still the same process even though it's a different strip. Click on the change straight background and then click on image. Of course you can also choose any of the free images. If you like to upload a free image, you'll have to click on this right here. So image, you can then upload media and upload from your computer or drag and drop files. Now I don't have any background, so I will be choosing an image from the media from Wix, and let's say I'm going with this one right here. I'm gonna click on change background and now the background has been changed, and that's how you can change the background image on your Wix website. If this video helped you out, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.